Within our ears is an organ called the cochlea, which is central to our ability to hear. Inside the cochlea are sensory cells that detect sound, named hair cells. People are born with approximately 15,000 hair cells in each ear, which enable us to detect and distinguish sounds in our environment and transmit these signals to the brain as part of an elegant and highly complex system. Hearing loss commonly occurs when hair cells are damaged or destroyed, either as a result of excessive noise, aging, viral or bacterial infection, or exposure to medications that are toxic to hair cells. In humans, once damaged, hair cells do not regenerate. Frequency has developed FX-322 as a possible therapeutic candidate to restore lost hair cells that lead to hearing loss. FX-322 aims to treat hearing loss by stimulating dormant hair cell progenitors that are already present in the cochlea, causing them to divide and form new hair cells in order to improve hearing performance. FX-322 is a liquid that is delivered locally to the middle ear through the eardrum, where it then forms a gel. The gel contacts the round window membrane, allowing the proprietary small molecule drug combination to diffuse into the inner ear. In clinical studies, FX-322 was observed to be well tolerated with no serious adverse events. Frequency's small molecule therapeutics are designed to activate the body's own progenitor cells at the desired location in targeted tissues, an approach that could create disease-modifying or restorative effects.